Hello and welcome to our video on climate change and its impact on the world. Climate change is a complex issue, but one that affects every one of us. From the rising temperatures and melting glaciers to the devastating wildfires and floods, the impacts of climate change are being felt across the globe. In this video, we will explore the science behind climate change, its impact on the planet, and what we can do to address it. The science behind climate change. The Earth's climate is constantly changing, but the current changes are happening much faster than they would naturally. This is due to the burning of fossil fuels, deforestation, and other human activities that release carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases into the atmosphere. Greenhouse gases trap heat from the sun and cause the Earth's temperature to rise, which leads to a wide range of effects. The scientific consensus is that human activity is causing these changes, and the evidence is clear. Temperatures are rising, sea levels are increasing, and extreme weather events like hurricanes and droughts are becoming more frequent and intense. Climate change is already having a significant impact on the planet. The rising temperatures are causing glaciers to melt, which is leading to rising sea levels that threaten to submerge low-lying areas around the world. This puts coastal communities, including major American cities like New York and Miami, at risk of flooding and erosion. Rising temperatures are also affecting wildlife and ecosystems around the world. Many species are struggling to adapt to changing conditions, and some are being driven to extinction. This can have far-reaching consequences for the entire food chain, and ultimately for human health and well-being. Climate change is also affecting agriculture and food production. Changing weather patterns can cause droughts or flooding, which can reduce crop yields and make it more difficult to produce food. This can lead to higher food prices and food shortages, which can have devastating consequences for communities around the world, including in the United States. Addressing climate change is a complex problem, but there are many things we can do to help. One of the most important steps is to reduce our greenhouse gas emissions. This can be achieved by transitioning to renewable energy sources like wind and solar power, which produce fewer emissions than fossil fuels. Another important step is to reduce our carbon footprint by making changes to our daily habits. This can include using public transportation, reducing our energy consumption, and eating less meat. Small changes like these can add up and make a significant difference in reducing our impact on the planet. Governments and businesses also have an important role to play in addressing climate change. They can introduce policies and regulations that promote renewable energy and reduce emissions. They can also invest in research and development to create new, cleaner technologies. The role of individuals in fighting climate change. While governments and businesses have a significant role to play in fighting climate change, individuals also have an important part to play. There are many actions that individuals can take to reduce their carbon footprint and make a difference. These include driving less, eating a plant-based diet, reducing food waste, using reusable bags and bottles, and supporting policies that promote sustainability. Climate change is a global problem that requires a global solution. We must all work together to reduce our greenhouse gas emissions and protect the planet for future generations. By making small changes to our daily habits and supporting policies that promote sustainability, we can make a real difference in the fight against climate change. Thank you for watching, and please remember to take action to help protect our planet. If the video was helpful, please subscribe and like it. Thanks for watching.